Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the live train status feature on the Indian Railway application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, you should open the application on your phone. Then go to your home page by tapping on the home button down below on the left side corner of the screen, and then click on live train status in the middle of the screen. After that, you can search for a train by typing in its name or number. So tap on this box at the top and select the train, and here you can check out the live train status option. You should wait a few seconds till it loads in, but after that you will be able to check it out. But first you need to watch this ad. So in a few seconds it will be loaded. So here you should tap on find, and if there's any details for your train, it will be displayed at this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.